extra road, crossroad. Turn, turn. Can you believe I ordered a freaking Apex Assassin's exhaust clutch kit tune? This thing is gonna be even louder. It's so loud already, but it'll sound cleaner though. More crisp. 2-stroke more like. But those Coyotes are working good up there. I'm on these BFG KM3s. Rally road style. Uh-oh. Yeah. Drifting in a little tree world. This is when you need tire kickers, tree kickers. Rally style. Don't lose your rear wheel. Woo! It reminds me of skiing and snowboarding. It's because I feel like I'm fucking snowboarding. Skiing maybe. It's floating out here. But with an engine. Little, oh, he went right. It's like a big sandy ditch. Whoa! Whoa, don't flip. Holy crap, that was intense. Woo! Yeah, buddy. That was intense. Oh man, this mayhem, the mayhem. Oh yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching Full Circle Adventures Kelowna Dirt Bike Tours out here in the Turbo and the RS1